If I told you that a given line had a slope of 2 and that a point on the line was 3, 5, and I told you to write me the equation of that line, how would you do that? Well, first let's write our equation of y minus y1 is equal to m, or slope, times x minus x1. And now that we have that, let's substitute in. So y minus our y value of 5 is going to be equal to m, or our slope of 2, times x minus x1, or our x value of 3. And now we can distribute the 2 into the brackets. So we'll get y minus 5 is equal to 2 times x, which is equal to 2x, and then 2 times negative 3, which is minus 6. So y minus 5 is equal to 2x minus 6. And now we can add 5 on this side, and that'll cancel, and then we can add 5 on this side, and that'll give us our final equation of y is equal to 2x minus 1. Now let's try one more problem, but this time pause the video and try it on your own. But now say I were to tell you that your slope is negative 3, and I gave you a point on the line of 2, 4. And I told you to write me the equation of the line. How would you do that? Well, once again, let's start off with our basic equation of y minus y1 is equal to m multiplied by x minus x1. So now that we have this, let's substitute in. So y minus our y value of 4, y minus 4, is going to be equal to m, or our slope of negative 3, multiplied by x minus x1, or our x value of 2. And now let's simplify, or let's distribute the negative 3 into the brackets. So negative 3 times x. Actually, let's write our y first. So y minus 4 is equal to negative 3 times x, which is negative 3x. And then negative 3 times negative 2 is going to be equal to positive 6, as a negative plus times a negative is a positive. So negative 3x plus 6. And then now let's remove our negative 4. So we can add 4 on this side, and that'll cancel. We can add 4 on the other side, and that'll make our final answer be y is equal to negative 3x plus 10. So a key tip to remember here is to make sure that you always substitute in your m and your x and y values into the right spot. So students will often make this mistake where they'll sub in their x value into the y spot, or their y value into the x spot. So you don't want to do that. Make sure you sub them into the right place. And then also be careful when substituting negative numbers. Remember that a negative times a negative is a positive. I hope this video helped. Thank you.